take for 5 minutes? I need to turn off the music for a few minutes. So one of the things I've been working on is a strict muscle up. That means without using momentum. I broke it down to stages and I finally got my first one, I don't know, maybe a month ago. So I'm gonna try and do 3 and show what that looks like. So I only got 2, but that's still my personal record. So I'll be working on that for the next few months. And so check out my progress.
I'll show you how to do lettuce and pole beans when you're doing your best.
Okay.
So we're gonna do lettuce. Lettuce goes in we call this a community pot. So we're just gonna take like maybe like 30 to 40 seeds. You don't have to really count them, but it's about that much. You don't want to overcrowd the pot because it's tiny and you kind of want them all to have space to grow, and you just kind of sprinkle them. Like, sprinkle them in the soil. And then lightly cover. They're gonna grow up to be nice baby lettuces.
Simple enough.
Simple enough. And plant some pole beans here. They're a little bit different in that they just go into soil, really. They don't go into cells. So what we're gonna do is kind of poke some holes in the soil. You can just
with Salvinija. She just arrived on the farm. She's our new intern, and we took a minute from our farm day, so we're gonna work really hard right now. But now, just like because this is her first day, I'd like to ask, like, what's up? How was your flight? How was your first night?
So my flight over was definitely a long day. I flew over from New York.
It's
so
like 16 hours.
A little less than that, but my second connecting flight got delayed, so definitely ended up being more like 13 hours.
And connecting flight was through Honolulu?
LAX, yeah. So it was like 6 and 6 hours, kind of split up. Yeah.
I fly like a non-stop 12 hours New York City, JFK to Honolulu.
I think I'm doing that on the way back.
All right.
So that'll be interesting.
Oh, you have tickets?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
But so I was definitely a little exhausted, especially because of the time difference. So when I got here around like 8, 9, and it was already, I don't know, like that's like 2 or 3 a.m. around something
time
like
difference like 5 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah. So I was definitely a little tired. So I passed out, fell asleep pretty well. But then I woke up in the morning from the roosters, which definitely I think will get some take some time to get used to. But I did sleep pretty well, and I really do enjoy waking up with the sun. So I think that'll be something that I'll really be into because I am more of a morning person. So I think it'll be cool to have that.
Yeah, it's super cool to wake up like at between 5 and 6 here when like sun just rising up, and it's super cool. Yeah. And I mean roosters start screaming around like at 5, I guess.
Yeah, I think
and they getting crazy at 5:30. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I was like, I think that's around when I woke up. But there's definitely, like you said, a lot of other noises. But I think I was forewarned a little bit about that stuff, so it didn't bother me at all. I was pretty good with it at all. Yeah, it's nice hearing nature and not cars. I live on a highway, so it's kind of become like white noise to me, so I'm used to it. But it's definitely, I still hear it every once in a while, especially if it's like a really loud car. So it's very nice to have.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, but Yeah, we're talking the other day about like silence and how cool to be in silence, but like in the nature we don't have a silence, to be honest. It's always something going on.
Right.
Like a little bit of silence, like what? Like right after the rain, right after the sunset, and right before sunrise. Like it's a tiny bit minutes of quiet. So what is your goal?
My goal.
You're gonna stay with us a month, right?
Right. Yeah.
So and what is your goal? Like your main goal, why you decide that it's gonna be good for you, why you decided to put a lot of energy from all sides and come here and yeah.
I think my main thing is I want to learn as much as I can. I don't really know much about gardening or agriculture at all. Stuff like that does interest me, especially sustainability and things like that. So I really just want to learn as much as I can, really like immerse myself into also this environment. This is, like I said, like I live on a highway and it's a suburban area, so it's, you know, definitely different than living on a farm, especially also like a community type of living. It's I think I just want to really just maybe gain some perspective also from having such a different experience. I just finished university, so I kind of wanted just a different experience. I don't know what I want to do with my life. So maybe it'll, you know, maybe inspire me to be interested in something else, or I don't really know. To be honest, I'm kind of
maybe you decided to stay on the land, like, right, and growing your own food and stuff like that.
It's something that does interest me, so I think it would be really cool. I imagine I'm gonna go home and try to convince my family to really start growing a lot more.
Oh, all right, okay, not bad. Or maybe just stay here for like whatever.
Or
right?
that, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people like can make this decision. All right, so I guess that's it for now, right?
Yeah.
Unless if you want to say something, and we're gonna check with you like in a month and see did you reach your goals or not. All right, whatever. So let's go work.
Sounds good.
Não, obrigada.
Look at how much more sun we got over there.
Não, obrigada. Na realmente falando, tu ainda acha pouco, chega quando te toco, você faz de louco. Fica o tempo todo me usando pra fazer vitrine. Sai fora agora e dá espaço pra quem assiste. Vai procurar outro lugar pra ancorar. Meu barco tá furado, tu já vai afundar. Quem não se toca nunca vê esse me manda agora tá entendendo. Ainda tem que eu vá desenhando.
Sun-dream rain season sounds great.
Vou te dar mais um toque, então presta bem atenção. Nunca confunda carinho, desejo, amor e paixão. Quem não tem direção, tranca as portas da razão. Então, irmão, se liga na sua situação. Você ainda não entende, tem raciocínio lento. E o meu pensamento vai longe como o vento. Mas não deixe o vento te levar. Não há vento favorável, quem não sabe aonde
Não,
quer.
obrigada.
Já tentei ser educada, já tentei não falar nada pra ver se consigo acabar. Não, obrigada. Já tentei me esconder no meu olhar, tava te vendo, você não me chegou nada.
Rain's going pouring down, so I just worried about, you know.
But you said it's coming in somewhere. Where? What's happening?
It's not coming in because the wind is not. We don't have wind, but if the wind happens, so it's, you know, made my bamboo floor in the studio high, bad. So I just, you know,
Water's not coming in?
not yet. No.
Oh, so you're just telling me that the water might come in.
Yeah. So it's just in some point, it should be really close.
Hi everyone, I'm here on my fourth day of my clients and I'm really feeling really good and a lot of energy. Yes, I did sleep very well last night. I slept early, to compensate the past night, the other nights before this. And I slept very early, and I wake up like 4 in the morning, but I come back to sleep, and then I wake up hour after and do some yoga and do my practicing in the morning and start the day. That was awesome day. I had so far a little bit grapes and also lunch. I ate a lot of pumpkin soup today with a lot of ginger. And in this afternoon I had some mamaki tea and more grapes. And I probably finished the day with some apple with almond butter. But I feel really, really great. So yesterday I forgot to share with you, I am a Ayurvedic therapist, and for us it's very important to notice this too, right? And I know you're gonna think it is strange to do that, but it is very important. And I was surprised and very happy that my sheet was floating. Yes, it was floating. It's so light and don't have the density that the meat brings, and also the sugar, right? Probably dense. So that made me so happy, and yeah, I feel a lot of energy. Yeah, I feel grateful. Aloha.